he left his toy. We all know that kids have the tendency to leave their toys and other stuff lying around everywhere. But this might be because they don't have enough space in their own room to play. But what if I told you that your kid can have his own space for playing, studying and sleeping in that same room? Although this setup is designed to showcase a kid's area, it is not limited just to that. It can certainly be incorporated for other purpose also. In this room, we have a foldable desk as shown before, where a kid can use this for a peaceful study time. The room has a foldable bed that can be pulled down during his or her bedtime. And don't you worry, it's perfectly safe for your kid, as the technology involved makes it easier and effortless to operate and convenient to use. In this way, you can easily convert the play area into a bedroom too. Come and experience this magical, space-saving, complete home interiors.